Welcome to JAG Body Shop, your go-to auto body shop for any car repair that you may require. Founded in 2001, we provide our services throughout Bagley, Minnesota and the surrounding areas. We specialize in collision repair, towing services, equipment rentals, and much more. With a knowledgeable and committed team, we strive for excellence and provide quality services. Throughout northern Minnesota, we are the go-to business for auto bodywork, and with more than 22 years of experience, we make sure that you get the services that you need. As a business that specializes in auto body repair, we take care of everything from beginning to end and even provide free estimates for all of our clients, making sure that you get the most out of every dollar spent. Got any questions? Call 218-694-6095 or stop by our website for more information. We are open weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. except for Fridays when we close at 5. So stop by today. We look forward to servicing you.